Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 10, waste management. Things which cannot be used again are called waste. Waste affects the environment. The surroundings are spoiled. The living conditions become bad. Effects of waste on surroundings. Waste gives a very unpleasant look to the surroundings. People throw waste and garbage on the road. They throw polythene bags with the waste. These bags get stuck in the sewers and choke the main drainage system. As a result, garbage overflows on the road. When the garbage is dumped in the open, it gives out a bad smell. Several poisonous gases are also released from it. Many insects breed on it. Mosquitoes breed on stagnant water and spread diseases like malaria, dengue, and yellow fever. Thus, dirty surroundings lead to breeding of germs and spread of diseases. Disposal of waste. Waste is disposed of by the following methods. First is open dumping. The garbage is thrown in open dump areas and left for a period of time where it keeps decaying or decompose. Birds and animals feed on it. This is not a safe method of disposal because germs breed on the decaying garbage. The garbage also gives out an unpleasant smell. Second is sanitary landfills. Deep pits are dug in the ground and filled with biodegradable waste. When it is full, the pit is covered with a thick layer of soil. This method can be harmful if the landfills are not designed and constructed properly. The waste can otherwise pollute the soil and the underground water. Third is composting. Compost pits are also used for biodegradable wastes. Once filled, earthworms are introduced and the pit is left for a period of time. The earthworms turn waste into manure, which is used to make the soil fertile. This manure is organic and is very good for the plants. The pits are reusable. Recycling. To reproduce waste, we must learn to recycle and reuse it. Recycling is the process in which used materials are treated to make new ones. Some waste like plastic, metal, glass, and paper can be recycled and reused. We must use materials such as cloth, paper, or jute for making carry bags. They do not harm nature and are eco-friendly goods. Plastic is a non-biodegradable material. We should minimize its use and recycle it. The green bin is used for biodegradable or nature-friendly waste like fruit and vegetable peels, leftover food and other such things which decompose naturally. Thank you.